Cereal. Oh yeah. What? Is it good? Do you need more? Okay. Okay. Did you even taste that? Oh, that one didn't last. That is so good. Faster, lady. Heat it up. Heat it up. That's so good. Okay. Give me that. Is that good? Yeah, that's the good stuff. Like, here it is. Oh, that was too big. Here it comes. It's delicious. It's nutritious. Okay. It's so good. There you go. You keep getting that part right there. You ready? You want some more? You gotta move the hand. Gotta move a hand to get right. I just love it. It's the best stuff I ever. It's just the best. One more. Is it good? Did it make you big and strong? Did it make you big and strong? I know that your hands taste like it, but you keep looking at Papa. Are you showing them your messy face? Then the reason why I get a bath after I eat this stuff? Come here, Goober. No, that's my hand. Sure. Okay. There you go. We're getting there. Oh, do you remember what it was? You're doing good. You're keeping so much of it in. She's like showing it all. She's proud of herself. Oh, jeez. You done? You want more? Goober. Well, 2 more bites left. You're actually staying pretty clean. You're actually staying pretty clean. You just like, yeah, I know. Okay. That's the last bite. That's it. You got it all. Okay, last taste, last taste. You want to see what that is? You're already pretty dirty. What are those? You ready for the not fun part of this? Oh, golly gosh, Mama. I don't know why you gotta do these things to me. That was nice. That was real nice, yeah. Are you happy, girl? You got a leak. You got a hole in your chest. How did you do that? That's pretty cool. What's this? What's that? Oh, good Lord. You don't need that. You don't need that. Are you done? Are you done? You ready to get clean? You ready to get clean?